Alright guys, today it's a loud sound. Loud sounds. Got the loud sounds. Loud. Let's see if it's funny. Oh, here's something for me. Let's go again. POV! Yo, what happened to my POV, bro? What happened to my POV? We got our POV back. One hit. Yo, let me get my ultimate, dude. God, where is it? Okay, this is guys. Oh my God, where's the dummy? I'm over here. Oh, someone's there. What's up? Got bling. Let's go for this. Oh my God! Dude, our POV is so crazy. Oh my God, our POV. Need to target. Oh my God, please. Flip. Oh, bad. Come on. We got a POV back. Want to kill this? One hit. Let's go. Dead counter. Dead. You want the dead buddy? Alright, covered, get me. Oh yeah. Dude, we got it, wait. He's still alive, dude. Just like back. Spamming death counter. Yo. We're gonna do something real quick, man. Whoa. My battery. Sorry for rotating the video, guys. It's just auto-rotate. Go. Loud noises video. I think we fell down from the map. Yo, finally. Yo. Thank you for watching, guys, for our loud noise video. If your mom or dad or your parents wake up, sorry for making you in trouble. But thank you, like, subscribe in our videos so you can get so we can make some more videos of the strongest. So thank you, guys. Bye bye.